How to lose weight fast. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to lose weight fast. Losing weight can be a difficult and overwhelming process, but with the right knowledge and approach, it can be done quickly and effectively. Healthy eating habits. Firstly, let's focus on healthy eating habits. To lose weight fast, you need to focus on eating nutritious, low-calorie foods that will keep you full and satisfied. Foods to include in your diet. Make sure to include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your diet, as well as lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods will help to boost your metabolism and keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. Foods to avoid. On the other hand, avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and junk food, as these are high in calories and can slow down your weight loss progress. Portion control. Another important aspect of healthy eating is portion control. Make sure to eat smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day, rather than large, heavy meals. This will help to keep your metabolism running and prevent overeating. Exercise. Exercise is another crucial component of weight loss. Aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. This can include activities like walking, running, swimming, or strength training. High-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a great way to maximize your weight loss results. HIIT involves short, intense bursts of activity followed by periods of rest. This type of exercise has been shown to be more effective for weight loss than steady-state cardio. Sleep and stress management. In addition to diet and exercise, sleep and stress management are also important factors in weight loss. Make sure to get at least 7 hours of sleep a night, and try to reduce stress through practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Conclusion. In conclusion, to lose weight fast, focus on healthy eating habits, portion control, exercise, sleep, and stress management. With the right approach, you can reach your weight loss goals in no time. Outro music and end slide. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one.